Here we have two blocks with a mass m1 and m2 and spring with spring constant k arranged on horizontal. Frictionless surface are shown in the figure. So bottom side is frictionless actually, where it slides. The static friction between two blocks. So here we have a friction that has. Okay, so here we have mu s, friction between two blocks, which is given. What is the maximum possible amplitude of simple harmonic motion if no slipping is to occur between two blocks? So basically, two blocks between them they don't slip. Okay. Say that we have to find amplitude. Okay, when it's a slit, so we have to find the maximum x. Okay, so A is equal to the x max. Okay. This is a 0. So how can we find it? Okay. So we have, first let's define the forces. So when object is moving to this side, then we have acceleration here. Then friction force will be in opposite side. Okay. Then we have spring force, which is F spring is equal kx. Okay. Then we have m1g here. Then we have normal force, so on, right? So the first of all, the maximum friction force. Okay, friction force on upper box appears when the friction force is equal to the mu s. Okay, mu s then equal to normal force, which is mu s m1g. Okay, now then we have a maximum acceleration. The maximum acceleration. Okay, for the maximum acceleration we have a maximum force is equal to the friction. Okay. Now if that's the case, then we have F max will be equal to the A max multiplied to the mass 1. Then that is equal to the friction force, which is mu s m1g. Okay. We know that both boxes are moving with the same acceleration. Okay, whether it's m1 or m2, because it's not sliding. There's no sliding between m1 and m2. So therefore, both of them are oscillating or moving with same acceleration. So m1 will cancel. Then what we have? Then we can say that A max is equal to the mu s g. Okay. Now we know that by a formula that when A max is equal to the omega squared maximum x, which is amplitude. Okay. Then we also know that omega is equal to the k over m under the square root. Now keep in mind that always in this case was like both of them, actually both boxes are oscillating with the same omega, which is, this will be total. Okay, which means k over m1 plus m2. Okay, under the square root. So what do we have here? A max was equal to this one. Then we have second formula. Okay, so this is A max was equal to omega square A. then we also get a first one, which is A max is equal mu SG, right? So that means we can say that mu SG, which is A max, is equal to the omega squared A. Okay, now omega is equal to the K over M1 plus M2 multiplied to the amplitude. Okay, so from here you just have to find amplitude, that's it. So the amplitude is equal to the mu SG multiplied M1 plus M2 divided by the K. That's it.